Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS Slide Effect. Now you can see the slide effect is working smoothly. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create HTML template and title is CSS Slide Effect. Inside the body we wanted a div and inside this span and we want to type like. Copy this span and paste it one time. We want to change this subscribe. Save the file. Refresh. The text are visible. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0. Padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file. Refresh. The margin is okay now. Next, start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 VH, width 100% and background color is #262626FF. Save the file. Refresh. The background color is okay. Let's start to style our div. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center, position is relative, height 100 pixel, width 300 pixel and we wanted box shadow that was 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color is black and cursor is pointer. Overflow will be hidden. Save the file. Refresh. The layout is okay now. Next, start to style our span. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center, position is absolute and we want a transition that will be 1 second, height 100% and width is also 100%, font size 50 pixel, font weight is bold and font family is cursive, font color is white. Let's start to style our span nth child 1. Inside this, right will be 95% and background color is dojo blue. Copy this and paste it one time. We want to change this to and right will be left and background color is deep pink. Save the file. Refresh. That is looking nice. Let's create span nth child 1 forward. Inside this, right will be 0, z index 1 and box shadow 1 pixel, 40 pixel and color is doja blue. Copy this and paste it one time. We want to change this to and right will be left and the color was deep pink. Save the file. Refresh. Now you can see the smooth slide effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.